In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent bullet points in Gmail on your PC. If you're a frequent Gmail user like me, you know how essential it is to format your emails neatly. Creating bullet points can be a great way to organize information, but sometimes you might want to indent these bullet points for better clarity. So let's dive into it and break down the process step by step. First, let's get started by opening up Gmail on your PC from your preferred web browser. Once you're there, the first step is to click on the Compose button. You'll find this button in the upper left corner of your Gmail interface, and it will open a new window where you can draft your email. This is the basic setup where we'll begin. Now, with your new message window opened, you'll want to direct your attention to the formatting options. These are located at the bottom of the Compose window. Look carefully and you'll see an icon that looks a bit like an underlined A, along with a few horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open up the formatting menu, which is a powerful tool to customize your email's appearance. With the formatting menu now expanded, you should see a variety of options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the bulleted list icon. It's situated toward the far right of the menu array, depicted by a series of small bullet points with horizontal lines. Go ahead and click this icon to start your bulleted list in the email body. Now, you've activated the bulleted list feature, but what if you want to indent these bullets? It's crucial, especially if you're looking to create sublists or emphasize points under a broader topic. After typing your bullet point, simply press the Tab key on your keyboard. Voila! Your bullet point is now indented and you've introduced a new layer to your bulleted list. This feature allows you to create more organized and hierarchical content within your emails, which can be handy for professional communication or detailed explanations. If you need to return to a less indented position, use the Shift and Tab keys simultaneously. This will move your bullet point back to the previous level of indentation, providing you with full control over the appearance of your list. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently create and organize indented bullet points in your Gmail messages, ensuring that your emails are not only informative, but also visually appealing and easy to follow. Remember, a well-structured email reflects your attention to detail and enhances readability, making your email communication more effective. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.